Now that the weather is getting better in the UK, we uncovered our garden furniture, but we needed a new cover. And it's quite a tricky shape. We have an L-shaped sofa, and we got a table, and we got a chair as well. So we got this Enzeno outdoor garden furniture set cover, and I have to say, first impression was really, really good. It comes with a clippy bit on the side that you can kind of clip it around the foot of the furniture. That's what we did. There is also a vent on the side, so as you can see, it's kind of a mesh material. It's nice and thin. It's not one of these like chunky, cheap looking covers, a canvasy one, slightly shiny. It does seem totally waterproof, water repellent, and it also comes with these kind of straps. As I said, it helps to keep the cover down. The stitching is really impressive. I checked both sides. I could not see any imperfection. It's really well and really nicely made, as you can see. I'm really, really pleased with it. So what I did, I kind of covered the furniture and I used the straps underneath it. And this is what it looks like. Ever since I set it up, we've had a lot of rain in the UK, and the cover kept the furniture really nicely down. It's quite a big one. It's a 242 by 182 by 100 centimeter. So it's a generous size, and is definitely a big thumbs up from all of us.